Hi! Hello world! A beautiful life is not stumbled upon, it is built. It is chosen. It is nurtured over the years. A beautiful life is made from the heart, not the head. It is not one we can rationalize our way into. It's one that must be felt. A beautiful life is not one that is immediately comfortable, but one grown through the acknowledgement of what is worth being uncomfortable for. It is not one that is easy, but one that is worth it. Happiness is not how your life appears. It is the quality of your connection to it. How deeply and intimately those bonds run. How much you truly cared about what you were doing and the people around you and the memories you made, and how bravely you put your heart into your days rather than hiding yourself away and wondering if you could make things appear full on the surface while they sat empty just beneath. By Brianna Waste. In the first episode of the 15th edition of Anna at Dancing with the Stars, Cha-Cha dance style in a beautiful purple dress. The makeup that Dominica Renes prepared for her was subtle and with a glitter accent. It tied it to the color of this stylization. It suit her, isn't it? On this post of Anna, it captioned, "Stop being mad at yourself for being exhausted, for crying, losing patience, or not having the time or energy to do absolutely everything. Stop being so hard on yourself. All of this is incredibly hard. You are doing okay." True, Anna, that only a few days left until Sunday, as she said. Today is the penultimate training in the gym.
Cześć kochani, dzień dobry.
Witajcie, witajcie, witajcie. My dzisiaj skocznie się tutaj będziemy z wami... co? Skocznie dzisiaj będzie ogólnie, bo quickstep przed nami, słuchajcie. To nasz kolejny taniec, także trzymajcie kciuki.
Trzymajcie kciuki, żeby był większy luz. Ja już ten luz złapałam. Quickstep też jest trudnym technicznie tańcem i pomylenie jednego kroku powoduje skasowanie całości układu. Ale miejmy nadzieję, że to się nie wydarzy i mamy dla Was taki trochę aktorski sznyt w tym quickstepie, także nie możemy się doczekać. Ja się bardzo cieszę. Ściskamy Was najmocniej, łącząc się dalej bardzo mocno sercem z wszystkimi z południa Polski, których dotknęła ta tragedia. Ściskamy Was.
We are all wishing the best for you and Michelle, as you said that we put down the phones and start the last training in the room before the second episode. Yes, on Sunday we will all wait what will be your next dance step.
Dzień dobry, mamy dzisiaj ostatni trening na sali. Ja bym bardzo już chciała zacząć, ale mój partner taneczny ciągle siedzi w telefonie. I chciałabym powiedzieć, że to jest niedopuszczalne. Ja już nie mogę z nim po prostu, słuchajcie.
A moja partnerka też na co właśnie robi? Nagrywa na telefonie sobie filmiki, a ja czekam na nią. Myślę, że to poważne sprawy biznesowe są, kochana.
Wiecie co Michał Kassin ma jakby do siebie? Że zawsze uprawia psychologię, że zawsze to ja. Oczywiście to ja.
Nieprawda.
Ściskamy, pozdrawiamy i pokażę Wam mały sneak peek tego, co będzie na naszym quickstepie. O tyle.
True, Anna, that these were delicious. Really? Michelle ate all of them? On the new post of Anna, she said that resting before going live tomorrow and going down memory lane. They often have journeys and all moments captured in a frame. These pictures were taken last June. My life has changed so much since then. I surrender to this retrospection and smile to myself saying, how much Ama has increased your awareness of yourself and of life. And you know what? I will repeat myself, but working on yourself is the most beautiful journey, and it's one way because when we see growth, we no longer want to return to old patterns, beliefs of a similar dimension. And this is more than wow. I have no words to describe it. It's very touching to start seeing yourself fully, what I wish you from the bottom of my heart. Please keep your fingers crossed for us from Michelle tomorrow if you can and feel it. Please support us with your vote. Couple number 6 is going to have fun on the dance floor tomorrow. Love! Check this out, guys, and listen carefully with Anna on her announcement.
You have the time all over the world. Wish us luck. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao.
Ama.
Let's hear on Anna on how will be the mechanics for tonight's happening of the competition.
Hello, beloved ones. We just finished our rehearsal, the last rehearsals before tonight's show, and we want to remind you that if you feel to, if you wanna support us, we will give you the clues how to vote for us by application. And remember that today's night, the pair that will have least votes will be eliminated. So we do need your support with all our love.
We all remember, guys, the channel Anna made wherein we can watch all about for the competition. We can see in their hairstyle for tonight. Anna and Michelle give their all at their practices. Anna and Michelle at the actual competition. Time for quick step. Anna and Michelle show incredible lightness and pace on the dance floor. This performance. What they think? The jury rated them 27 points. After the performance tonight, Anna said that, guys, we are touched, you are valuable. It's extremely beautiful to have so many of you behind me. It's because of you that we are on episode 3. Beloved ones, we are so touched because of your votes and support. All of you are more than amazing. We have no words.
Beloved people, thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts that you voted for us. We know that a lot of people from Brazil voted.
Yeah, thank you.
You are amazing, and thank you for the most beautiful support ever.
We love you.
We love you so much. Thank you.
A sweet dessert from Chacho Nawinos. Agree on you, Anna, as it was great, but not only that, as I can see on it, even I didn't taste it. It's so really delicious. After the competition performance tonight, you need to treat yourself.
Słuchajcie, nie ma to jak wrócić do domu i móc delektować się. Wiem, że może już nie wygląda pięknie, ale smakuje wyśmienicie. Ciacho na wynos, kochana. Jesteś niezastąpiona. Dziękujemy. Wraz z Kasinkiem. Kasinek już zjadł w trakcie programu. Ja jem teraz i to jest takie piękne zwieńczenie dzisiejszego wieczora. Dziękujemy.
Simone is in London this time. Why is he in London? Let's see this. The reason why Simone is in London to be with Inter Milan football team as they will gonna have their game with Manchester City team. Football Club Internazionale Milano, commonly known as Internazionale or Inter, is an Italian professional football club based in Milan, Lombardy, Italy. Outside Italy, the club is often called Inter Milan, founded in 1908, following a schism within the Milan Football and Cricket Club, now AC Milan. Inter won its first championship in 1910. Since its formation, the club has won 36 domestic trophies, including 20 league titles, 9 Coppa Italia, and 8 Supercoppa Italia. Giuseppe Meazza, often considered the greatest Italian footballer of all time, began his illustrious career with Inter Milan in the late 1920s. Known for his incredible dribbling skills, eye for goal, and charismatic presence on the field. Lautaro Martinez improved his Series A record after becoming Inter Milan's center forward. He was the league's best overall player in the 2023-2024 season. Simone is with his brother Danilo here in London. Wishing you will enjoy watching the game and hoping your Inter Milan team will win. Wow! They really grow up so fast, as to what Mama Ruba said that the new sports of Marcus and Brando is into motocross. But first of all, to all, it's a reminder that in these sports, extra careful. You have to be fully equipped with the safety gadget needed, and for the kids, they should be guided with an adult. Motocross can be a non-stop, full-body, high heart rate workout as well as an exercise in muscle, strength, and aerobic endurance, as busting through soil and rust alone can knock you around and tire you out. It is a fun sports that allow riders the opportunity to enjoy the outdoors and get in touch with the nature while providing them in an exhilarating experience.
بدك تكبس هاي avec ta main puis tu bouges avec ton pied. هلا عم يقرر اذا بكفي او بيوقف.
Lovely to see Marcus and Brando enjoying their life to the fullest. Take care always, Marcus and Brando. I like this. I love it. As to what two fit music artists saying that this coming October, next month, few more weeks, few days to sleep, and we will hear the coming amazing song of Michele in collaboration with two fit artists. I am excited. Are you all excited too? Yes, true, Michele, and I agree on you as you caption this post of yours, saying, be your own boss. We really are the boss, the master, the owner of ourselves. That is the reason we have to make the best for ourselves. Do you all agree on it, guys? Hey guys, would you remember this place? Can you guess, guys, where is it? This is where Michele right now. In this place, he lived for a year. Does it ring a bell to all of you? This time, Michele is in Dubai. He is attending the Dolce & Gabbana event by Hair by Pierre by Hair Salon. This salon is nestled in Dubai Marina. It's Pierre's first flagship salon, a hair and beauty destination for women to feel truly pampered. The artistic director Pierre's hair career spans over 2 decades, with experience in Dubai and Lebanon. He is the man behind the hair of celebrities, models, and glossy magazine shots. Michele Morone attend the Dolce & Gabbana Milan Fashion Week September 2024 with the D&G theme, a beauty tribute to Madonna, who might have been sat on the front row, but her influence was all over the catwalk. The entire cast of models walk Milanese runaway wearing tightly permed blonde wigs set in place with a black stretch hairband. The reference was clearly singular. It pointed to a rich, wearing tapestry of enduring brand and muse relationship between Dolce & Gabbana and its fan and friend Madonna, specifically during her Blonde Ambition era in 1990. The decision to reference Madonna in the beauty notes for such a collection was apt. Named Italian Beauty, the show was a celebration of Domenico Dolce and Stefano Gabbana's native Italy and the beauty the country has long produced, be it a Botticelli artwork or the new wave of supermodels headed up by Lamborghini-born Vittoria Ceretti, who opened the show. Madonna, though born in Michigan, comes from a big Italian family on her father's side and has long ensured his heritage has been front and center of her art. The original Blonde Ambition look was in and of itself a reference piece, pulling clear inspiration from Marilyn Monroe, the late American actor's peroxide blonde was perhaps her most defining signature, becoming a shorthand for fame and contemporary American culture, which Madonna was not only openly seeking but beginning to define and rewrite also. The legacy of A Little Blondie Ambition endures into 2025 too. It was not the first time that Dolce & Gabbana had dedicated a collection inspired by the Platinum Artists. In 2000, they presented their Spring-Summer 2001 collection entitled Madonna Gli Anni Ottonata. Preceded by the costumes they designed for her, the Girly Show Tour in 1992. Madonna has always been our icon. It's thanks to her that a lot of things in our lives changed, the designers wrote in the show notes. As Madonna appeared during the Milan Fashion Week styled by Rita Melsen, she donned a full-length lace slip dress from the brand Fall 2024 collection over a black corset. She has favored corset style since the 1990s. With each she paired bicep-high sheer globe as well as fishnet tights and a pair of pointed toe heels with a stud strap across the front. For the accessories, the Material Girl wore an ornament yellow and white gold diamond necklace from the company's Alta Gioieria line. The piece featured Bianco's di Steria stone carved skulls. The musician also carried the devotion bag. Michele attended the D&G dinner party with his bodyguard and friend Andrea, but before that, they had a toast after the show. See this.
Ragazzi, everybody, vai. Ok, silenzio, perché vuole dice...
Are you curious who is the girl beside Michele? She was with Moon Ka-young, a South Korean actress and model, as she was a German-born. Repose of Michele from one of his fun as she captioned, "When we arrive at a psychiatry conference and get to Milan Fashion Week for Michele Morone." Dolce & Gabbana choose to celebrate the post-fashion show with an exclusive party held in the iconic DG Martini in Corso Venezia in Milan. Michele Morone embodies as always the classic Italian style. Oh, do you think guys he is back on his years ago looks? Anyway, he is still as dashing as he always was. So many fans still want to have opportunity to have photo off with him, and he accommodated them. What can you say guys on his looks on this Dolce & Gabbana fashion? Michele, what is this? A lizard? Yeah, we know your secret. As one of it to make you stay fit is your gym exercise. Wow! Cool, Michele. You are really into sports car, as you love fast cars. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 265 of the 366 days of 2024. A message to all. I hope you will take nothing for granted. No lesson, no person, no place. I hope you will see that everything was a teacher. Even the most unlikely of experiences was in so many ways there to guide you to your path. I hope you will have faith in the fact that everything that's meant for you will find you, remain with you, or return to you. It is only a matter of when. I hope you will realize that when you ask for a bigger experience, you will first be handed with lessons that will grow you into the type of person who would have that life you want. I hope you will remember that is no desire that can be with us without an equal amount of potential to make it reality. I hope you will let yourself dream. I hope you will let yourself consider more than you assume you will be able to have. Not always in scale but in depth and beauty and truth. I hope you will know it will all eventually add up. Most of all, I hope you will realize that the journey was the becoming, not the arriving. I hope you will give yourself the chance to enjoy the journey while you are still on it. By Brianna Waste.